That works. All right. So, Dylan, we already took the test. Did you forget we were meeting earlier?
Yes.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's all right.
All right. So,
At least I remembered it at all.
that's
Better
always
than
a good
completely
thing.
missing a meeting.
What's that?
At least I remembered it. It's better than completely missing a meeting.
It is true. It's true. Okay. So, well, since we have to kind of go through it again, we might as well. I'm going to try Will for that one p-value. Let's just enter it from the T one. Just for, you know. So the test is to negative 0.845. Both sides, and its degrees of freedom is 16.562. So if we have to go through it again, I might as well just enter it from the T distribution and see if that changes it. If not, all right. So, how did you do, Dylan, on the prep work for this one?
I've had to go over it multiple times to properly understand it.
It seems to be getting a little more difficult here.
Yeah, but I think I understand it fairly well.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and start the quiz, we'll walk you through it.
Okay.
Since we have to record now anyway. So I forgot to hit the record. So I'm going to take the test again. Are you going to try and take it again, Alex?
Yeah.
See if we get a different score on our T-value. All right, do you have your SPSS pulled up, Dylan?
No, just give me a moment though.
Okay.
Huh.
Ooh. You disappeared on us, Dylan.
What was that?
You've disappeared on us. Oh, there you are.
Sorry, computer that has the
That's okay.
SS on it. Just give me a moment to get everything up.
That's okay.
Sorry about this.
So, Poppy,
Yeah.
So I'm just redoing the dentist office bills, like just so I can get more practice on SPSS.
Yeah,
So for that one, do you choose the dentist bills to change, or is it the city that you change?
it's the
It,
city.
it is the city?
It's always the label, not the numbers. The numbers are the data that you're going to be testing.
Okay.
Your picture's frozen, Alex.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm. On mine, it is.
Is it back now?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Well,
Frozen in this one position. I'm like, wow, he's so still.
oh, that's fine then. As long as you could hear me.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine. All right, you ready, Dylan?
Yes.
All right, so we've kind of all gone through this, or Alex and I have. This is our second go round. So start with number 3. What do you think those are?
Hmm.
You have the quiz pulled up?
I'm still working on it.
Okay.
So Poppy, now it's just saying when I put in the test variables, it's saying that I can't put the city in there.
Okay, so no, it doesn't go in the test variable. It goes in the, so are you doing the running the t-test?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you go to the compare means, and then you go to independent samples, then for the test variable, you use the dentist bill. And for the grouping variable, then you have to go down to the grouping variable, and then that's where you put in the group code.
Okay, yeah.
And then you'll go to define groups 1 and
And
2.
okay, so it is a dentist bill.
The test variable is the dentist bill. And
Okay.
the grouping variable is the group code.
Okay.
I know, it's kind of confusing.
That's why I want to do it again.
Yeah. How we doing, Dylan?
I finally got up.
You got it up?
Yes.
Okay. So on the quiz, question number 3.
Let's see. I think it is a simple random sample was drawn from each population, and the mean is normally distributed.
Yeah. Those are the same. It seemed to be the same for all of the tests that the hypothesis tests. So, all right. We're going to make you do all of the work on this one because we've done it. And we already know the answers. So number 4.
Okay.
Do you know the test statistic?
I think that means 4.
What's that?
I think that's T-score.
Yes. Correct. And number 5.
These samples are independent if knowing which subject will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subject will be in group 2.
Correct. All right, so now we're getting into the SPSS. Do you understand how to pull up the test, the T sample test for the independent?
I'm pretty sure.
Where you have to go in and like recode the one to have the 2 different groups and stuff. You have the that pulled up yet?
Yes, it just popped up.
So we're wanting the degrees of freedom. Have any questions?
No, I'm all right. Okay. Degree of freedom looks like 38.
Which statistic are you using?
Which statistic.
Yeah.
So
We want to use the bottom line where it says equal variance is not assumed. It said that we always
that
want.
one.
So
Yeah, I'm
just,
using the bottom one. What does it say? Oh, it says round to 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
In that case, it would be 37.996.
awesome. And then the standard deviation.
The standard deviation. Yeah, I'm not quite sure since there are 2 sets of standard deviations here.
Yeah, we're wanting to just use the bottom line only.
Let's see. So 206.637.
Yes. Wait. Yes. Sorry. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
And then the test statistic. And also, again, we just always want to use the bottom line.
Okay. Negative 0.434.
0.43. Yeah, negative 0.434.
And now it's the p-value.
Well, this one we got right.
Yeah.
I'm going to test that in the t probabilities and see if it was maybe the same number as the before. And what did we put in for that? Yep, it's the same.
Okay.
We're doing
Okay, for the p-value, it should be 0.333.
And then what did we get? 0.332. We put 0.332 in it. And okay, so we had, it's like 0.332 on one and 0.333 on the other.
For the second p-value?
For the first one.
Oh, first one. Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. And then question 10. All right, so since the p-value is higher than the level of significance, we fail to reject the null hypothesis on that one.
Okay.
All right, and number 11.
Okay, number 11. We have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the 2 cities are different.
Correct. All right, so now we need to pull up the freshman dinner. Did you want to practice again, Alex?
Yes, already. I just got it up by myself.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Good job.
Okay, I think this one is the alternative process hypothesis is not equal.
That would be it. And the test statistic.
I agree.
You still on?
Is that your roommate singing?
Yeah, it is. So, Poppy, I got another number for the p-value.
For number 14?
Yeah,
Okay, what did you get?
I got 0.205.
I got something different than that. Oh, wait, hold on. I need to put in the correct degrees of freedom. 845 degrees of freedom are 16.562.
Okay. Let's see, the test statistics would be negative 0.845.
Is that number? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, and then the p-value, this was the one that we got wrong. Okay, so you have to do both sides of both tails.
Oh, it's both tails? Okay.
Because it's not equal to, so it goes either
Zero
way.
point 410.
Yep. That would be correct. Well, that's what I got. Hopefully it's correct.
Hopefully.
410. I guess we needed a little livening up there.
Huh.
All right, so what decision do we make?
Since it's greater than the level of significance, I'd say we reject the null hypothesis.
We fail to reject. Anytime it's greater than the level of significance, we fail to reject.
Fail to reject.
Yeah, it confuses me every time.
Why can't they just put down greater than or less than?
I know.
Make things a whole lot more simple.
Okay, and then for determining the margin of error, do you remember how we kept having problems with that on the last one?
Yes.
So I asked Brother Papa about, or I just asked the question on the question board, and he said that you take on the 95% confidence interval, you take the lower bound number and the higher bound number, and you subtract, you find the difference between the two, and then you divide that by 2, and that's the margin of error.
Oh, okay.
So on this one, it would be the negative 5.13734 minus the 2.20401. And then you divide that in half, the difference you divide in half. And so we came up with, it was 3.671.
That's what I got.
And you don't put in the negative, even though it was a negative. I don't think you used the negative sign for the margin of error.
I didn't think so.
The whole value.
Percentages can be negative.
What's that?
I don't believe percentages can be negative if I'm
Right. All right. So then we put in the lower bound and the upper bound, and we're done. Again, we always use the bottom line.
Okay.
So that would be the negative 5.137 for the lower bound.
And 2.204 for the upper bound.
Correct. Okay, let's see if we got that p-value right.
Perfect score.
Hooray. All right, so I guess we do use the t-distribution. They're very confusing sometimes on the stuff that they do. Okay, so that's our meeting for today. Are we still okay to do the same time on Tuesday?
Yes, and I will try to remember what time it is at next time.
So 8 o'clock.
Okay.
And Cami said she should be able to make the next one. So we'll see. All right, well, have a great day, great weekend. We'll talk to you guys on Tuesday.
See you on Tuesday.